Are you thinking about buying a 3D printer for your office? Hi, I'm Dr. Michael DeFee from the Mod Institute, and we've tested almost every 3D printer on the market. Whether it's adding a second unit, upgrading an old unit, or completely buying a new unit that you've never had 3D printing in your office, we're going to walk you through the different options that you need to consider as you're making that decision. If you're buying your first printer, my advice is this: don't overbuy or undersupport. You want a system that's going to be reliable, that you're not going to be dealing with print failures and problems. It needs to be easy to learn so that you can get your team on board and they can take over the workflow. And it also needs to have a wide variety of validated resins that are high quality, that we know work for the indications that we're trying to do. Two of the printers that I would consider if you're new to printing are the Formlabs Form 4B and the SprintRay Pro 2. A couple things that I really like about the Formlabs Form 4B is the way they do the resin dispensing is from a capsule system, so it's really nice. It doesn't make a lot of mess. It's really clean for your printing area. And the flex build plate that they have is super nice and super cool for getting prints off the build plate, which sometimes can be a challenge where you can break the prints removing them from the build plate. The SprintRay Pro 2 is great because the speed is really nice. There's a lot of build volume, and SprintRay is a semi-open system where they have really nice validated resins that you can print with that they manufacture in-house, but they also third-party validate some other resins, so you have some options for different indications that you're trying to print. So if you're new to printing, I would definitely consider those two. Look at the different options that they have and decide what's going to be best for your office depending on what you want to print. Now, if you've already got a printer and you're feeling some of the pain points of older printers, such as limited resin compatibility or slow print times, there's a lot of new options on the market that could really help you to identify and improve on that by upgrading your older printer. Two of my favorites in this category would be the Accurata Soul and the SprintRay Pro 2. And what's neat about the Accurata Soul is they have different build plates which limit the volumes. You can either have a larger build volume or a smaller build volume, and that helps you to modulate the speed depending on what you're printing. If you're just printing inlays and onlays or crowns, you can use a smaller build plate and you can print things really fast. But if you also need bigger build volumes, like you're printing a whole set of veneers or a smile trowel or a night guard or maybe a denture or surgical guide, you can use the bigger build plate and you can continue to print on that same printer. The SprintRay Pro 2 is really cool because they have a couple different options. They have the regular build volume, which is a big build plate, which is great for night guards, models, any type of large build volume. They have the Arch Kit, which is a smaller build volume, but it prints much faster, and they're actively trying to improve the print speeds here by dialing in some of the way the projector focuses and prints and the speed with which the build plate moves. So I expect to continue to see speed upgrades here. And the other thing which is coming soon, which we've been doing some testing with, that's super exciting, is the new Duo plate for the Pro 2. What that can allow you to do is to print, say for a denture where you need to print teeth and you need to print base, and it's ideal to print those at the same time. Well, the Duo kits can allow you to do that, so you could potentially fully print a split file denture in like 30 to 45 minutes, base and teeth all on the same printer. So I think it's just going to be super powerful for lots and lots of practices. So if you're looking to upgrade a printer, an older printer, then I would go ahead and just consider these two. Look at what you're trying to do with printing in your office, and I'm sure one of those would be a great fit. If you're adding a second printer to your setup, it's all about complementing what you already have. And so you need to ask yourself a couple important questions. Do I need more throughput, or do I need to be able to print more volume? Do I need to print newer resins that maybe my older printer can't print? Or do I want to try to print multiple materials at the same time? If you're adding a second printer, I think there are multiple different options here that could be a great fit for your practice depending on what exactly you're trying to do. The Soul Plus is essentially an upgraded version of the original Accurata Soul that has a couple new features. It has a heating rod, so it helps to heat some of these more filled resins that can allow you to print resins that have higher ceramic content. The build volume is much larger here, so it also gives you more throughput for printing if maybe you have a multi-location office and a centralized lab, or maybe you have a multi-doctor practice where you need to print lots and lots of volume of things. So that could be a great printer to consider here. If you're looking to print the newest and the most advanced resins, a printer that I'm really liking in this category is the Midas. And so what's neat about the Midas is the patented digital press stereolithography as far as how they print and the capsule system. it allows us to overcome some of the challenges with printing really viscous, really highly filled resins that traditional top-down printing is just physically impossible to print. And so I know SprintRay is working on some new materials here that have much higher ceramic content than anything we've ever been able to print before. And I expect to continue to see this to progress as they continue to build the resin profile for this machine. And so this is going to allow you to be on the cutting edge probably for some period of time as they continue to innovate with resins here, particularly for same-day restorations, whether that's inlays and onlays, or maybe you're looking at doing veneers. This is a really great solution for that. The other option here is the SprintRay Pro 2 with the upcoming Duo build plate that could allow you to do same-day dentures in your office probably in less than 3 to 4 hours if you're really efficient with records, design, and printing and processing, because you can print the base and the teeth at the same time, which is just such a super cool concept that is probably applicable to almost any practice out there, because I'm sure if you have a general dental practice, you're doing dentures in your practice, I do dentures in my practice. It's one of the biggest needs for our patients, and being able to offer that both efficiently and at a cost-effective price is just such a service to our patients. So if you're looking to add a second printer, just make sure you ask yourself those questions. What am I trying to accomplish? What can I do to complement the existing printers that I have in my office or in my lab to help to continue to grow 3D printing as a part of what I'm delivering for my clients and my patients? Hard to go wrong with any modern printer just from a point of ease of use and resin portfolio. We've just come so far in the last 4 to 5 years, and it's so nice to have so many options that just could work well within any practice. But if you want to get specific answers to questions that are specific to your practice, your team, and the workflows that you're trying to do, schedule some time with a Henry Schein Rep and they can go over your specific situation and help you to make the best decision for your practice. I'm Dr. Michael DeFee from the Mod Institute, and I hope you found this video both informative and has gotten you excited about 3D printing in your practice. If you find me on Instagram, I'm always happy to help. You can DM me and I'm happy to help you answer any specific questions. You can check us out at the Mod Institute as well. We're always posting exciting things that we're doing with 3D printing in our practice, and would love to help you take things to the next level in your practice as well. Thanks so much.